To use the loop feature, you'll need to upgrade to a Plus account. You can find the loop feature in your app just above the player controls in any song. It is controlled through 3 buttons: Toggle Loop, on or off, and Loop Start and Loop Stop. By pressing the Loop Start button, you set where you want the looped part to start. The start will be set where the player bar is when pressing the button.
Can't you see how happy?
By pressing the Loop Stop button, you set where the looped part will stop. This is also set where the player bar is when the button is pressed. The song will now loop the section you have framed with these 2 buttons. If you do not set a specific start and stop, the loop feature will loop the whole song over and over until you press stop. To cancel a loop that you've set, press the loop button in the middle once, and the loop feature is turned off. The song will play as normal and stop at the end. For more tutorial videos, check out the full playlist on our channel. Happy singing!